guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today's Thursday evening here in Canada and probably around afternoon in the Philippines, Friday. This evening I have to attend a long year service award and a big party, so I'm just gonna show you around a quick one because it's a bunch of people, it's a lot of people guys, and but a little bit noise right now. Okay, I'll give you a quick one right here. Yeah. Hey Bruce, Sony and Ate. It's not just blood. Yeah, see right here guys, it's a lot of people right now, and we're the same union, QP union guys.
You don't have to clean up, do you?
Not today. She's my manager, Brianna. See that one guys? Yeah, this conference hall is huge guys.
Ay, dito kayo para mas-social tignan. Sani, oh, dito kayo. Silis ka lang. Hindi, mag-answer ka na ng all bounce.
Yeah, it's the bar right here. Probably soon they're gonna start the dinner. Yeah, this place is huge, guys. Yeah, Covenant Health Award night. So yeah, it's a big one. So I'm not gonna drink tonight because a lot of people and a bit tired because I just done workout earlier, about a couple hours in the gym. So I'm just gonna get enjoy and have fun for the rest of the evening, guys. See you guys. Still people coming in. Oh, hello mo kayo nung Ramon. Oh. Si Ate. I put you guys on my vlog. Okay guys, probably call it the evening. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Peace out guys.